doing this every time I lay vinyl on my shirt.
Well, we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine, good wine, good wine, good wine.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal, but you can call me Ronice. Welcome back, you guys. So today I'm going to show you how to lay your vinyl perfect every single time. Like, once you follow these steps, you're gonna be like, I'm doing this every time I lay vinyl on my shirt. it's so impossible to mess up. Like, you're gonna love it. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can a hack where you can use as a guideline, place it in the center each and every time you layer a sublimation image or your vinyl, your HTV vinyl. So stick around and let's get started. All right, guys, so we are back. So I'm gonna show you guys 4 things you can do to make sure that your image is centered and perfect each and every time. Once you follow these steps, you'll never have a crooked image again. So if you wanna come over here, so the first thing you can use is this ruler. Got it from my daughter's book bag. Tape measure. This is like my preferred method. If I want to measure and make sure everything's perfect from the edges and stuff. And this is my next favorite method to use is this t-shirt guide. It comes in a little pack from Amazon. You can get the adult one, the kids, infant, toddler. So, and then the last thing you can use is the 3-finger method. From the collar, you place your image right below it. And then, yeah, it's about 3 to 5 inches from the collar. But I'll show you guys all that. What's going on, y'all? So I just wanted to pause real quick because I'm getting these images ready for a friend, and also to teach you guys how to line it up on your shirt perfectly. But I wanted to show you guys this hack. I don't know if you guys have, you weed your vinyl and you stick it and it gets stuck to everything. But if you get these dividers, the ones you put in your binder, when you weed your vinyl, stick it on this sheet and it comes right off. Like, it's like a perfect like storage until you're ready to press your shirts. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. So I weed it, I stick it right in this this divider. I don't know what to call it, but it's a divider. So I'll show you guys when you peel it off, it's like smooth like butter. I'm gonna say that every video. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. So, excuse the ashiness. Embarrassing. But anyways, let me see. I'm gonna peel it off and you guys can see how it just comes right off. So before you get ready to press, just stick it on this divider, and yeah, thought I'd tell you guys that. I'll be right back to show you guys how to line your vinyl perfectly every time in the center on your shirt or sweater. Be right back. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is fold your shirt in half, because we're gonna make a line or a crease, just like how your mom used to iron your jeans back in the day with extra starch. You go to school with that hard crease in your jeans. That's what we're gonna make, but without the starch. So you wanna fold it in half. Okay, let me show you guys slowly. So I'm gonna fold it at the neck, and make sure we line up the sleeves, and then it'll make a center line. All right, and then we want to come over to the heat press. You don't need to press the whole shirt, just like the top part, because we're just using that as your guide. So I'm going to place it here. Press for about 10 seconds. Okay. And then when you lift it up, you're gonna have this line, or this crease, I should say. You see that?
No way.
You see that? So we're gonna use that as our guide.
Okay.
Okay, you guys, so I have my image. The next thing you want to do is make sure that your image is folded in half as well. Just put a little crease at the top, and that will be your guide. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, so the first way you can measure this up is you can use 3 fingers. All right, so we'll place my fingers here, the 3-finger rule, and then you want to make sure that it's right below that finger. So that's perfect. And if you want to make sure how much it is, you can grab your tape measure next from the collar.
That's
About,
two.
no, you gotta look here. It's about 3.5 inches down, which is perfect. All right, and then if you want to measure with the regular ruler, from the collar to your image, about 3.5 down, which is perfect. That is the perfect positioning. And then if you have your t-shirt guide, let's see. This is the center. And again, about 3.5 inches down. Perfect. So the next image, I'm gonna place it on for you guys. Fold that in half. Put a little crease at the top. Oh, that's actually going down there.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't in my
Alright, so it's all centered now, as you see. So that's really pretty much it. You just use the rulers. 4 different types of ways to make your image centered on your shirt. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like and the notification bell, and stick around for the next video. What's up, you guys? So, hopped on here real quick. So I made a little boo-boo on my shirt that I'm making. As you see here. Yeah, pretty bad. But I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove HTV vinyl when it's pressed on. So in order to do that, you will need a little mini press. And what you're gonna do is put the mini press inside of the shirt, right where the letters are. Like that. Get a little good grip on it. Okay, just like that. Then you take your weeding tool. Comes right off. Do this fast because I don't want it to take off anything else. See? All gone. So I gotta move it over, get the rest of the letters off. So that shows you can make a mistake and then remove it. I wish I knew this back when I started, because I waste so many shirts. Coming off like butter. Look at that. Smooth like butter. Boom. And that's off. All right. So that's how you remove HTV vinyl once it's, if you make a mistake. Take it off and start over. All right.